The difference between accounting and bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is lower level. It's data entry. It's transaction preparation. And it may and it just goes up from there with how competent the clerk or the bookkeeper is. It could be reconciliations. They may or may not be able to get a ledger to be balanced correctly and accurate. But it's very transactional is the way to think of it. And then the accountant is going to can do all that, but they also are going to prepare financial statements and go into and make all the accounting entries, the more complicated accounting entries that lead up to the financial statement. Okay, and also being able to review the ledger, being able to review the financial statements analytically, so that they're accurate is a huge step, and that often separates a clerk or bookkeeper from an accountant who is capable of analyzing financials and fixing them and presenting a proper view of an entity. There is it's not just black and white. Arithmetic math. It's you're telling a story, typically to someone, and how you do it. Yes, there are rules on how to do it, but the presentation of that is important and can vary substantially depending on who's doing it. So it's kind of like, I often use the analogy of the brain surgeon. The surgeon is gonna get in there and do the hard parts of the surgery, and the technicians that support the surgeon are getting the room ready, getting the patient ready, doing the lower level things. But you wouldn't want the technicians with the scalpel in their hand, and so that's really the best scenario I can give you, or analogy I can give for it.